Is there one and only the DJ? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. My ogbonge people, today's topic now about one woman wey be say the art film for the art Benin film. It is she the art well, you know. And then Ellie, whether Ellie poor, I don't know again, but I will put a picture moon and see am, I beg. Why I did do this video, be say not be only person don't will they put rest in peace. Or they say, oh, this woman like Okobo that day. I don't know Okobo before he even died. I don't know him. You understand? The pain me say when he does that now I can't know him. But this one I will be say he never me, I beg my people. Make we try. May we try, may we support this woman as she see they are alive now. I beg my darling people. Like when we see the video, I shocked her eyes. The thing shocked me. I say, oh God, oh, wait till can they happen for this world now? Where this world now they turn it to. See people, the funny part, people you they spray money anyhow for party. People they go party, they spray money, they like the thing they surprise me. Now then you see person go they sick though, they say they need support. We will get big people for Nigeria. Not be this guy do party that day. I know the way people take spray money. I know money will pass there that day. Why it can't be say that's in Nigeria now where people they spray money anyhow so now ain't somebody they sick so we be say they not feel help. Now only just to they spray money for party. Now only that one. Now ain't be the thing now. Be me no understand. Even musician will play. You know money self when you see self talk of the person we do party. But the thing that surprised me will be say that same Nigeria now you go see somebody they sick. Nobody go come out help them. Like the thing that surprised me, the thing that shocked me, because when I would see say our Nollywood actor they sick today, they find money, like the thing would shock me. Now there the women go they do human hair way long reach nyash. They go talk things where they buy expensive things. Now that same Nigeria so now any person go they sick. Now people where they Europe will they donate. The thing they shock me. Like this woman now, this woman never supposed to even like they don't even supposed to bring a come out for social media because people they Nigeria they will get money. I be will not they see them. I be not be there they will do party. Money go they fly for up. Money go they fly for everywhere. Now the same Nigeria there. There ain't people go they look for money. They don't go see. The thing go they just they surprise me really. If I talk and say the thing not they surprise me, they lie to myself. Oh, they surprise me because. The same Nigeria, people go they find money, they don't go see. People go they spray money any for party. People go they spray as they like hey, me I don't understand. If I say this life, it not balance. I know they lie, oh. The life not balance, It not balance at all. Because if the life balance, why somebody go they sick? They say Nigeria where people they spray money for party, they'll carry bundle. Some way they spray with bundle, they never will they spray one again. The thing go they surprise me. I beg me we help this woman before she will come stick me men now. Before they'll come they bring her come and say, oh, our darling sister, she was a nice woman. We don't want to hear that one, no. As she see there alive now, she never me we help her because I remember the other woman that time when they come later bring that one. Oh, that one clean. She nearly me that time too before. They constantly bring her cover for social media. People can't donate money. Now people can't support that lady that time. So this one, now we just see now beg. We know I made this one go. We know I made this one me. So my darling people, I beg. May we help this one. Before she will still go. I'm not bad there, everything there. I beg my darling people, may we help her. She need help, like she need help. When you say person need help, she needs help. So the woman really need help. I beg my darling people. May we help the woman. I mean when she would all go, I beg my darling people. May we help her. She needs help, my darling people. Thank you everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J, my darling people. Thank you. I beg. I will put this thing there. Nobody there. In case you want to give a many, thank you. you. Bye.